What's up everyone, this is Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you some really cool features inside of the Shortcuts app, along with some really cool shortcuts you can try out on iOS 12. So without further ado, let's get started. So this first trick in the Shortcuts app is really cool. This allows you to have a hidden shortcut or open up an app on the home screen. And the way we do that is by going in the Shortcuts app and by selecting any desired shortcut that you want. So this can be an actual shortcut, or it can be a shortcut that will launch and open up an app. So once you find the shortcut you want, just tap on the settings icon and go ahead and change the name. Now, me specifically, I'm going to be changing my name to the invisible characters. I will have that link down below in the description. You're going to have to tap on a website and then copy the blank text. Now, when editing the home screen icon, I'm going to personally use a black image, and you can do this by choosing from your camera roll, or you can have an icon on it if you so choose. Maybe you want to make it blend in with your theme on your iPhone or any other app. But once you do that, go ahead and tap on done, and then tap on the share icon, and then make sure you add this to your home screen. Once you do that, you're going to want to make sure that you have the hidden text displayed on the naming screen, and then boom, now when you tap on it, it'll open up the shortcut, which will activate it immediately. So this is really cool, and you can do this on your home screen. This next shortcut allows you to add haptic feedback whenever you tap on a shortcut. So I recommend adding this as the first command or the second command, depending on how slow or fast your device is, and whenever you tap on a shortcut, it will act as haptic feedback. This next shortcut is pretty self-explanatory. It basically shortens a URL, and the way you do this is just copy any URL and then tap on this shortcut, and then immediately it will be shortened. So next up isn't really a shortcut, but kind of like a feature slash trick. So what you want to do is, when you're creating a new shortcut, if you want to make a custom theme on your iPhone to have a really cool look on the home screen, go ahead and edit a shortcut, go ahead and then tap on the apps category, and then once you've done that, make sure to select any app you want to open. So do that by tapping on choose, and then from here scroll down until you tap on your desired app, and then tap on done. Now from here, you're going to notice that I actually already have this on my home screen, and it's going to launch the Find Friends app because that's the app I chose. Now if you need help editing the actual app icon itself, you can just go to the beginning of the video. It's the same process. This next shortcut can be life-saving in some situations. So by using this shortcut, you can see how it works. It'll automatically get information about your location, your battery level, it'll turn on your flashlight, it'll change your brightness and turn on low power mode and turn Bluetooth off. So it basically is like an ultra low power saving mode, and it comes up with a custom written message with really cool variables that can be changed with your current location, latitude, longitude, and your battery life, and it'll send a custom message. And if you choose to, you can even have it contact 911 if you get into a serious wreck, or you can contact a family member. So very cool. Next up is a shortcut that lets you choose 5 of your most recent or favorite addresses just of a click of a button. So very convenient, and I will certainly be using this, and you can preset them in the settings of the shortcut. This other shortcut is really cool. If you're really far away from your home, just put in your address, and whenever you tap on the shortcut, it'll immediately show you directions to your home. Up next is an amazing shortcut that will take the most recent 25 top played songs in your iTunes library and automatically turn it into a playlist. So I know that I will definitely be using this when I eventually upgrade my iPhone 10 to iOS 12. So take advantage of that one, because I am jealous of that one, as I'm still on iOS 11. So this next shortcut lets you choose a bunch of photos, and it'll automatically turn it into a grid. Now the way it does this is it chooses the amount of photos, chooses the width, and it can arrange the photos in a way that looks pleasing, so you don't get a jumbled mess. So it looks at the width and the height, and it's got a bunch of variable settings. I don't exactly 100% know how it all works, but I do know that when you tap on it, you can choose any sort of images you want, and it'll turn it into a pretty cool collage, or just in a grid. Coming up next on this list is a shortcut that'll allow you to self-destruct anything on your clipboard. So when you copy a link, it'll automatically self-destruct in 6 minutes. So maybe if you copy and paste a password and you want to immediately delete it, this will do exactly that. And the way it works is it has a timer. If you go into the settings, you can go ahead and adjust the time. Maybe you want it to be 10 minutes or maybe less. Now, earlier we were talking about photos. So this is a really cool shortcut that allows you to make a GIF just by selecting photos. So overall, a pretty cool shortcut that I'm sure a lot of you guys will enjoy. Moving on to the next shortcut is pretty handy. So if you tap on the shortcut, it'll just redirect you to your favorite subreddit. So I myself am on Reddit a bunch, and I'm probably spending way too much time on there, but I do know that this would save me a lot more time. And the way you use this is you just type in the name of the subreddit in the little pop-up but do not type r/. Just type the actual name of the subreddit without the r/ and you will be good to go. This next shortcut will automatically take any image you have and make it so that way it removes the notch on any iPhone 10 or 10s Max. So what's great about this is you can choose maybe a really cool wallpaper and then just go ahead and select done once you have chosen your wallpaper, and then after that you'll come up with a pop-up at the bottom and you can choose which graphic you will see. So for example, this is the wallpaper that I will be seeing on my device. Now because I'm not on an iPhone 10, it's going to show up pretty weird, but on an iPhone 10 you would pretty much set this as a normal wallpaper and it will automatically fit and crop properly. This next shortcut is kind of useless, but I guess there could be some potential in the future if anyone finds anything significant about this, and you just tap on it and it shows you system information about your device. So not really a shortcut that's usable, but maybe one day more information could be shown. Anyways, that's about it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, peace.